Good evening, sir. We are from Team PINAKA. We are here to represent you the cost report of our team. So, should we start?
Yeah, you start present your screen now.
Okay, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Your screen is visible.
Good to go.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you can start now.
Okay, sir. The first slide is about frame. In this, we bought a material ASI 1018. The material we bought, the price is 12,000, and the tooling cost is 1100. In this operation, we perform the operation like cutting, bending, grinding, welding, etc. In this, price of the cutting is 250 rupees. Price of the bending is 3400. Grinding price is 300, and the welding price is 1600. The total price of the operation cost is 5515 rupees. Tooling cost is 1100. The overall expenses for the frame is 18,615. The total time required for the frame is 20 hours. Next is the about body, like aesthetic, side body, front body, rear panel, front panel. In this, we bought a raw material of 7,000, like epoxy, resin, filler material, hardener, accelerator, etc. And the operation cost required for this is about 3,000 rupees. Total cost is approx 10,000 rupees for our body work. Third is the steering system. In the steering system, first we bought some material like steering hub, which is of 1,999. Then we bought the steering column, the steering rod of aluminum, which is 815 rupees. Then we bought a steering column bearing for the support of the rod, which is 448 rupees. And then the rod end for the tie rod, which is 200 rupees, two rod ends. And bought the universal joint to connect the steering column, which is 300 rupees. Then we manufacture some parts like steering wheel with the help of 3D printing. It requires 1800 rupees with like a material and process cost, all containing 1800 rupees. Then we bought we manufactured a tie rod. It requires 500 rupees. It includes like welding and the other process. Then the tripod, it is it is of 100 rupees. In this, we perform the drilling operation, and bought a material of 15 rupees. So the total tripod price is 100 rupees. Then the knuckle. In the knuckle we manufacture in our own workshop. We bought the metal plates of MS, then perform the operation like cutting, drilling, welding. And then the stub axle, we perform the lathe operation on the stub axle, and only the threading we perform outside our workshop. It is like outsourcing. So total price of the knuckle is 1200. The time required for the overall steering system is approx 4 hours. The total cost of our steering system is 7,397 rupees. The next slide is about power and drivetrain. In this, we bought the engine of FZ160 is 815 rupees. The machining cost required for the shaft is like a turning to make the slots of taper key on the shaft, etc. is of 1500 rupees. Then we bought the hub 1100. The one price of the one hub is 1100. We bought two hubs for the shaft, and the sprocket is of 1100 rupees. We also bought the chain for the shaft is 115 rupees, and the overall cost for the power and drivetrain is 15,800 rupees. Here is about electronics and wiring, sir. The overall wiring loom we manufacture in our own workshop. Just we bought the wire and some electrical switches like bought is 350 rupees. We bought the wire as a raw material for the wiring loom is of 400 rupees. Two kill switch we bought 350 rupees each. The two kill switch is 700 rupees. Then we bought start switch is of 40 rupees. One neutral light 35 rupees. Then the brake light is of 415 rupees. The sensor which is required for the brake light is 85 rupees. And the tape required for the installation to the whole wiring is it require 5 tapes, so it is 15 rupees each tape. We require the price of the electric tape is 75 rupees, and the installation sleeve we use for the whole wiring loom to cover the wires, so we use the 70 rupees sleeves. Then in the wiring we manufacture wiring loom. In this 200 is our labor cost, and the total time required for the wiring is approx 10 hours. The total cost of our wiring is 2,405 rupees. Next, in the rim and tire, we bought tire of 4,500 rupees, and the rim set is of 9,344 rupees. The total cost of our rim and tire is 13,844 rupees. Pedals, about pedals, we bought the MS material for the pedals. The price is approx 215 rupees. We bought some metal plates of MS and some metal rods. The process cost required for pedals is 115 rupees, which contains like cutting, welding, drilling, etc. And the fasteners used for this pedals mounting is 36 rupees. The total cost required for only pedals is 436 rupees. Then in the braking system, we bought caliper, which is of 919 rupees. We bought the brake disc of Apache 619 rupees, and the brake hose is 815 rupees. We bought master cylinder. The price of the master cylinder is 718 rupees, and the brake fluid we have some problems our brake fluid like a bleeding etc. So in this case some fluid also waste, so we consider total fluid bottles, like we require 6 bottles, so 240 rupees of all bottles, and total cost of the braking system is 3,515 rupees. Then in the fit and finish, for the aesthetics and body material like firewall material, floor pan material, the stickers required for the aesthetics. We bought a raw material of 3,000 rupees. The process cost is 300 rupees, like in the sheet cutting, drilling, all it contains. Then the fasteners required for the fit and finish is 100 rupees, and the stickers we like a card number sticker we print, it is approx 400 rupees. So total cost of the fit and finish is 3,800 rupees. In this it is a list of the purchase part which require for our car, like air filter, brake hose, battery, board, kill switch, brake light, fuel pipe, brake light sensor, rod end bearing, cable, steering hub, some paints, stickers, driver seat, engine, bearings, start switch, neutral light, caliper, master cylinder, disc, tires, rims. We use asbestos as a insulation material to the firewall to protect the driver from the fire etc. We also bought exhaust. We use universal joint for the steering system. The rod material also we bought, and the chain. The total cost of the cart is from the start. We require 18,615 rupees for the frame, 10,000 rupees for the body. The steering system is of 7,397. The power and drivetrain is of 15,800 rupees. Electronics and wiring require 2,405 rupees. The rim and tire is of 13,844 rupees. The pedals are 436 rupees, and the braking system is 3,515 rupees. And last is the fit and finish, which is of 3,800. So total cost of our go kart is 75,882 rupees. Thank you, sir.
Okay, please open the cost report that you have submitted.
Okay, sir.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes, that is visible. Okay, which worksheet are you currently in? Brake system. Okay. Locate any component that you have made in-house.
Frame and body, sir, all over we made in house.
Okay, so frame and body, you explain me the cost related to CFV 100, which is your frame.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So we bought the raw material of ASI 1018 for the 12,000 rupees. For the frame, we use cutting, bending, and welding operations for it. First, we made a zip for it, zip as per the frame design. Then bending we done outside of our workshop. It cost us around 1,200 rupees per bend. Then circle.
Cutting the 5 rupees per cut.
Cutting cutting price we assume cutting price 5 rupees per cut. So in that scenario, the cutting price cost us
You better tell how much is invested on jigs and fixtures,
3,400.
Bending.
and your total process cost itself is 3,000. How is it possible?
Sir, actually, uh, when we create our report, that time we don't have a time, so this report is not completed fully. So due to lack of time, we submitted it is as incompleted. But this in the frame, we require approx 3,400 rupees for the bending.
Okay, what will be
200
the tooling cost?
tooling cost is, sir, 1,100 rupees, but that time we don't add here.
What
Uh,
all
it-
does it include? What all does it include in 1100?
1,100 in, sir, we use some like nets, wooden blocks. We bought some wooden
That you
wooden.
already told in jigs and fixtures. which you told in processes?
Sir, in process cost, we don't add it. In the process cost, it is transportation.
So
Transportation.
why did you mention jigs and fixtures in processes used?
No, sir, it is not in the process cost. It is mistakenly add there.
Okay, how did you project the initial budget of this project? How did you estimate?
Estimated budget, sir.
How did you estimate the initial budget?
As per our previous cards.
Sir, as per our previous card, like our seniors also manufacture some cards, so they told us like
How
approx
much was it? How much was it?
18 to 19, 19,000.
Sorry, what? How much?
18 to 19,000 whole card required amount.
You are saying 80 say 90,000, right? 80 to 90.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how much is the total budget that in actual you spent?
Sir, 75,000, 842 something.
Is it really possible for a design firm to build the cart that you designed for 75,000?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How? When I go and buy a engine of 150cc, the engine itself will cost me 65,000 or 70,000.
No, sir, we bought a second hand bike, XZ16. It is of
That
10,000
is what
rupees.
I'm asking. When a design firm designs and manufactures a vehicle, they will not be using the old engine, no?
Yes, sir.
So, as per the competition objectives, you are not just a team, you are a design firm, right?
Yes, sir.
So, even if you are using the old engine, then also you need to add the cost of the new engine, no?
Oh, sir. Sorry, sir. We don't know about it.
It's not about knowing, it's about justifying the cost report. Because, see, it won't be possible for anybody to build this cart in 75 rupees. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
75,000, sorry.
Yes, sir.
So if that is not possible, so this cost estimation or cost, what you are explaining is not that cannot be considered as the reference, the true reference for pitching you in for a competition's objective, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the objective of the competition? What does the rule book say?
The competition is for we work as a company to build the card. So as per we made the business report, cost report, and design. So we can start the company. That's the objective of the competition.
Okay, how much will be the cost if you in actual manufacture the card using everything as brand new and every cost like labor cost and processes cost, tooling cost, everything when you add, how much do you think will be the cost of your vehicle?
Sir, if everything is new, then it will cost us around 1.5 to 2 lakhs.
1.5 to 2 lakhs.
Yes.
Okay, what will be your make or buy decisions? Like, how will you decide to manufacture something and while getting some things outsourced?
Sir, if you have that much manpower and tools are there available, then we manufacture the part.